Hello, it's Paul from HEYNER UK. Today we're going to change wiper blades on this Toyota Corolla Cross SUV. That's 2024 model. And we're going to put HEYNER hybrid wiper blades. And we're going to do it in a special place as we are at the edge of the Arctic Circle in Finland, just next to the Santa Claus house. First we're going to fit driver side, that's 26-inch long wiper blade on the standard hook wiper arm, and passenger side takes 16-inch. Inside the box of HEYNER hybrid blades, we've got hook cover, and the B1 hook adapter. First we need to fit the hook on the central piece of the wiper blade and then attach cover. Then we need to open it, and this wiper is ready to fit. Now we're gonna take off the blade from the we need to leave the cover on and take off the wiper. With the HEYNER blades, we just simply do the same procedure. The easiest way, you just clips it, twist it, that's secure, and you put it on. And driver side is ready to go. Okay, now we're gonna do it the same thing on the passenger side. That's 16-inch long blade. So we open the cover, take it off, and same procedure. So we fit it in, slide it on, twist it 90 degrees. Make sure the B1 adapter is over the wiper arm. Close it, and job done. Thank you for watching.